In this video, I'm going to show you how much I made in a week tinting windows. On Monday, I tinted Ford Mondeo for $300. It took me 2 hours. Material cost was $30 and the profit was $270. Then I tinted Lancer for $300. Took me 2 hours. Material cost was $30 and the profit was $270. Tinted Subaru for $280. The material cost was $25, took me 2 hours, and the profit was $225. So made $795 profit in one single day. On Tuesday, I tinted BMW Coupe for $260. Time was 1.5 or 1.5 hours. Material cost was $20 and profit was $240. Tinted Ford Falcon for $300. Time took me 2 hours. Material cost was $30, profit was $270. Tinted Honda Civic hatchback for $250. Time took me 1.5 hours. Material cost was $25. The profit was $225. So total income on Tuesday was $735. On Wednesday, my first car was BMW. I had to remove the old tint, so that was $100, and then I had to retint it the whole car. That was $300. The material cost was $30, and it took me 4.5 hours because I had to remove the old tint, and the profit was $370. The second car on Wednesday was Toyota Celica. So it was for $270. The material cost was $30 and my profit was $240. So in total, on Wednesday, I made $610 in profit. On Thursday, my first car was Hyundai Elantra that I tinted for $300. The cost was $30 and the profit was $270. Then I tinted Mazda for $300, the cost was $30 and the profit was $270. Then I had 4x4. I just had to do tint 2 front doors. That was only for $150 and the material cost was $15 and the profit was $135. My fourth car was another 4x4 from the same customer, and that was 4 doors, and I charged them $250. The material cost was $20 and the profit was $230. So my total profit on Thursday was $905. On Friday, I tinted Pajero. I had to remove the old tint and then retint the whole car. So it was $400 to retint and $100 to remove the old tint. So it was total for $500. My material cost was $45 and my profit was $455 on Pajero. And second car was Wagon, which had the same thing from the same customer. I had to remove the old tint and then retint, and the whole cost was $500 and the material cost was $45 and my profit was $455. So on Friday, my total profit was $910. So let's see. On Monday, I did $795 in profit. On Tuesday, I did $735. On Wednesday, I did $610. On Thursday, I did $905. On Friday, I did $910 in profit. So total profit in 5 days working was $3,955. The best part is that starting window tinting business doesn't require a big investment. You can start window tinting business under $1,000. All you need is to learn how to tint windows professionally. My name is Alex Harry. I have been a professional window tinter from last 10 years and I have more than 15,000 happy customers. I have spent last 4 years teaching and training people here in Australia to learn window tinting. And most of them, or many of them, have gone out and started their own tint shops here in Australia. The course contains high-definition videos. You will learn how to make patterns for the front and back door windows, including heat shrinking techniques using N-lock method. You will also learn how to prepare windows, the complete 3-step cleaning process so you don't get any contamination inside your tints. You will learn how to install using 2 major methods: top loading, where you install the tint without opening the side door panels; bottom loading method, where you install the tint after opening the side door panels. You will also learn how to heat shrink the film on the rear window of the hatchback, wagon, SUV and sedan by making edge pattern. You will also learn how to prepare the rear window before installing using 2-step cleaning process so you don't damage the heat warmers. You will also get the list of film and tool supplier here in Australia. You will also learn about tint loss, differences between quality and the privacy of the film. You will also learn advanced tinting method where you can tint windows faster. That means saving you time and making more money. After completing the training, you will be able to tint entire car by yourself and start making money by tinting for customers.